Okay, this is Gabriela with another video of Money Robot. Let's talk about one of the strategies I use for the trip pack. Okay, the Google trip pack for Google My Business, now call or know like Google Business Profile. Okay, one of the things we're going to definitely choose um, on this video is the DMB Crush extension. I will leave you the link or exactly the name in the description area. Don't worry about it. Um, it's this small icon you see here. Okay. Let's show you how I do one of my strategy. Okay. Let's think about. I'm going to find like Atlanta plumber. I'm gonna get one of from here. Okay, on each side. Okay, perfect. I'm just choosing one. Doesn't matter which one. Okay, in here because of this extension, you're gonna see the link to CID. This is really important. Okay, this is the latitude and longitude. But what we're going to do here is just this one. What that mean? Let's go and do a little keyword just to Atlanta plumber. Okay, search. And just are gonna grab a few. Close here, open here. Oh, I don't have it open before. I think. Okay, it's here. Okay. Open a new campaign. Then go on. Let's do. I'm just gonna grab no review. Definitely no. Not this one. Repair services plumber. Let's do it like this. Okay. Um, this extension, the GMB Crush extension, is gonna give you the links to CID and also any category. Like let's see this here. Wait until get it. Okay. If you see in here, we have a lot more. And it's going to help you to audit any competitor. And it help you a lot. Um, I'll show you definitely in another video, how I audit the Google business profile and how you can put some schema, also how to work with the category. Okay, like this one, I definitely use this one. Each of these are gonna be a landing page, especially for these areas. And also gonna have it on the home page, like H2. This is really, really important to have all those categories inside of your website. Those are need to be the main keywords you are working with. Okay, let's start with this one in particular. Okay, what I'm gonna do is send copy. I will send a, backlinks to my. I'm sorry. Okay, to my main CID numbers is really important. You also can add here. This link I usually don't do it. What I do here is I copy here, and this is the part I'm gonna put on here. Let's check this one. Okay, let's create with the keywords first, and then I'll show you the rest. Okay, in this case, I will use the main category for the account. Okay, I will create Atlanta plumber. Plumber is a main category, but also you need to add, remember, the city. That's the most important part when you are talking or working with local SEO. Okay, send here. When this is finished, okay, it is done. I will add the iframe here, and then I will add also the map with a website in here. Doesn't matter, doesn't need to have any link on, okay? You don't need to have anchor text on that, nothing. That's only for a reference. It's really important to have it with the iframe. Something else I do is copy this direction, and we can put it in here. Okay, here's because I'm in Mexico. But if you are where you are located, it's gonna be the language in there, and also where you are looking for. But it's gonna give us the latitude and longitude, okay, from my business. That's why it's really important to. I can add it here, or at the end it's gonna be the CID, or you can add it here. That's something else I'm gonna show you later. But usually, what I do is I'll send at least 10, 12 campaign creating to my CID link, to my map link with longitude and latitude. Okay. Um, One of the things I do is I create the same um, campaigns also for the Google business profile posts I do. I will look for some. I don't think this one have some. None. Oh yes, they have it. Okay, wonderful. Look, um, this is the copy the link. This is one of the campaigns I will do. I say plumber. Let's do plumber. Sorry, CID. I will, I always use one, two, three, four, because that help me to create the how many campaigns are doing, In the first one, I'm gonna create it a new account under the category of Atlanta plumber, okay? Because that's are the main one. I don't do it right now. That's not the whole point, but you know what I mean. When you are like on the second, on the third, you're gonna be reusing your category, okay? And keep running. I'm doing a video about the diagrams to use on 2022, and in that moment, I will use this same example we're talking about here to show you the other ones, okay? How I do it with the other ones, okay? How I put everything with the post and everything. But right now, we are just talking about this strategy for CID, and I will also create some for this post too, okay? In the next video, I will show you how to do the other part for posts, and also we are going to talking about the diagrams to use on 2022. Okay, I hope this helped you and give you an idea about how to treat the Google Business Profile, how to rank within the three pack on Google Maps. And please let me know if you have any question, if I can help you with anything. I will leave that on the description, the way you can contact me and the link about all this. Okay? Until the next one. Bye.